Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a happy bear. This isn't an ordinary bear. He's a special bear because he's actually a stuffed animal that is walking across a stream. I think you're going to like this. It's going to be barely a good time. All right, remember, this is a dad who draws. All right, let's get to drawing. All right, we're going to get started here. First thing I want you to do is to draw a nice sweeping curve going down the left-hand side of your page. This will be the back side of his body. And then we're going to come across the top and then straight down to get the far corner of his head. And it's almost like the top of a heart shape for his face area, but make sure it's not symmetrical. You want it to be asymmetrical. That means one side is much smaller than the other side. Straight out for his nose and muzzle, and then sweep all the way back and connect it all together. You could refer to the final drawings on the left-hand side if you start to get lost. They're there for your reference. Make sure you draw light as possible, because this is an underdrawing, and then on top of this we'll draw with darker lines. Put his nose in and make sure the nose is an upside down triangle, more to the right-hand side of his face. This is going to give us a sense that he is looking away from us. Make a small pupil for one eye, and then the eye that's closer to us, you want to make it much larger. This will also add to the optical illusion that he's looking away. A big round ear, and then one that is looking on the far side of his head. Now I'm just going to draw a couple straight lines here to get a sense of where and how I'm going to build his legs. There's his foot that he's standing on firmly, and you want to make sure that it's almost right under his body. And then the other one, you want to have it sticking out so he's about ready to lean on that. But you definitely want to make sure his weight is to the one foot. Let's go ahead and add some stones here. And they could be any shape you want. It could even be a fallen tree if you wanted instead. Let's put his arms in, and they're almost like airplane wings. He has them extended out to give him balance. I'm just kind of cleaning things up here now. Let's add some claws.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
There's a seam. He's almost kind of he's like almost a stuffed animal that's come to life, but we'll leave that for the storytellers out there. Let's add some thickness to these stones that are in the river now. And then I'm going to indicate some lines to show the movement of water. So we're coming up to our 5-minute mark now. And I would, if you're not done, I would pause the video. And all you need to do now is to darken in your lines. And you could refer to the drawing I have on the left-hand side. All right, well, I hope you liked our bear drawing today. Please do like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow. Great job.